Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. I haven't made any video. I was quite busy, but I'm here again to help you out. As you can see that what is the today's topic. So let's start the video. Today's topic is factorize by completing square. Okay, if you have to complete the square, you know that the basic method is that we'll use one of the algebraic identity. The best way, the first method is you start this by simply taking this value over there. That will be minus 33 over 4. As you remember that the first algebraic identity is a square plus 2ab plus b square equals, I'm just writing the formula, equal minus 33 over 4. Here I will put x to make it x square. Here I'll put x. Now the question is what will come here. It all depends. I have 2x already. This 2 times x is 2x. I just have to do one thing, that 2x by what will give you 17x. So it's very simple. It will give me, if I take 2x over there, that will be 17x over 2x, and cut, it will be 17 over 2. So if I put here 17 over 2 and I multiply, it will eventually become 17x, which is the requirement. Now the next step is, if you put 17 over 2 here, which is actually a, and it is a, and this is b, and this is b square. So according to that, I'll also put here 17 over 2. If I reopen this question, it will be x square plus 17x plus 17 over 2 whole square, that is extra. To balance the equation, I also have to add this 17 over 2 whole square on this side as well. So whatever you do add on this side, you have to add on the other side of the equation to make it, to keep it balanced. Now as you know that that's the identity, it's a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is equal to a plus b whole square. So on this side it is minus 33 over 4 plus, that is 289, and 2 square is 4. So if I keep on solving this question, it will become x plus 17 over 2 whole square equals minus 33 plus 289 over 4. If I continue this, it will be x plus 17 over 2 whole square equals 9 minus 3 6, 8 minus 3 5, and 256 over 4. To finish the square, you remember that we always take the square root, so that it got cancelled. It will be x plus 17 over 2 equals plus minus 256 is the perfect square of 16, and for 4 it is 2, so there will be two answers. The first one is x plus 17 over 2 equals 16 over 2 with the positive, and x plus 17 over 2 equal minus 16 over 2. So it will be x equals 16 over 2 minus 17 over 2, and this will be minus 16 over 2 minus 17 over 2. This will be 16 minus 17 is minus 1 over 2. This will be minus 33 over 2. So the answer is minus 1 over 2 and minus 33 over 2, or minus 15 and half. Here you go. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the share button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and keep supporting. See you in the next video with the new method. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.